Okay guys, how you doing? I'm going to go ahead and make a video here. I'm going to go ahead and my refrigerant is a little bit low on this unit, so I want to make a quick video. I'm going to put a stop leak in here that's designed for R600 to stop leaks in R290, R600 and R134A refrigerant systems. And today this is a R600 system. It's an Embraco VSC 13C compressor, as you can see right here. R600 freeze for this freezer. Now, instead of pulling out the copper tubing and losing all of the freon that's there, what is remaining, I want to install what's known as a bullet piercing valve, guys. I'm going to show you how it's done. Very simple. It prevents us from having to compromise the system. So first of all, we got to pull these 3 screws out of here. Now this is made for several sizes of tubing, okay? And the smallest size is the size you see right here. So I'm just going to install it here so that I can put the Freon, add the Freon right into it, and I can add my stop leak, Aircom Extreme Ultra Stop Leak, right into the system. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the bullet piercing valve, and I'm going to put it on where it belongs. And because it's the smallest setting, okay, this is recessed all the way back. There's a piercing pin that comes out right there at that O-ring. So if you just wrap this here, check it for size, okay, and then we put this one right next to it. Okay, we check it to see that that's going to fit properly. If it's too loose or too tight, then you want to remove one of your inside fittings and check it again. Now that's too loose, okay? That would fit on way up here on the pipe. See, like that. So I don't want it up here, I want it back here. So what we're going to do is we'll slap the fitting back inside. It has a little thing to hold it there. Okay. And I'm going to just pull it like this. When I put this one on, it's got an O-ring on it. Okay. You see the green O-ring here? That's going to be the seal. Alright. So we put it on here. And we put the screws back in it. We're going to put all 3 screws in it, okay? We're going to tighten them evenly, and we're going to compress this bullet piercing valve right around the pipe. And then it's going to allow me access right here under this cap. If you put them on evenly, like I'm going to do, this thing works every time. And you never have freon leaks, guys. It never leaks out this way. So you just carefully put them on, little by little, let it pull in, okay? It's going to pull itself right around the pipe, form right perfectly around that pipe, okay? And you check your gap to make sure that this is tight all the way in, and you can even use the other side if you want. Okay, good. We'll do this one more time. And we'll do this one. Okay, it's tight around it now. Now, in order to access this, we need to take this off like this. Now, what happens is I'm going to pierce here till the piercing valve punctures the tubing. The piercing valve is your stop. Now when you go back out, see the freon coming out? Okay, you saw freon come out. Okay, now the next step, it's shut, nothing's coming out, is I'm gonna inject the stop leak I told you about this morning in another video. This is Aircom Extreme Ultra. Stop leak. Extreme Ultra white. Okay, it says white right here. You push the fluid up, and it's all the way coming to the top. Okay, then we'll quickly put it on, convert it here, tighten it all the way down tight. Now, what I want to do is, as I told you this morning, I'm going to install 2 ml. I can see the gradients here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my piercing valve. I'm going to hold my handle here, hold the syringe so it can't blow out on me. Okay, I'm going to open up the liquid here, and I'm going to slowly squeeze in 2 ml. Ah, boy, that's got a lot of pressure on it. Okay. Micah, come here, hon. Micah? Ella, come here. I'm going to have my daughter come and turn it on for me real quick. As soon as she turns it on, as soon as it starts running, I'm going to go ahead and be able to push my 2 ml right into it. Okay, guys? So let me turn this around a little more so you can see it like this. Okay, I'm going to depress the syringe. Come here, hon. Thumb. Apple, what are you doing? Come over here and plug in, please. The freezer over there. Plug it in for me. Okay, she's going to plug it in. I'm watching this.
Over here?
Plug in. No! Below that. Next one down. Turn the cord over. Plug it in right there. Teach my daughter how the difference between 220 and 110. Read. Plug in. All the way. Okay, it's on now. Hey! Where is my Allen wrench? Huh. Kick it? Hit it? There it is. Open it some more. Okay. Okay. You saw the syringe go down? I hope. Anyway, I've already installed Extreme Ultra. Now you can see where my syringe is right now. Okay, I installed 2 ml from here to here. 2 ml in. Now what I'll do is I will remove. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay, I got the syringe removed. Now what I'll do is I will suck the liquid back in that's there. Take this off. Okay. And I will install the stop cap on my Extreme Ultra. We're done. I can use the remaining for another freezer or another air conditioner or freezer or rep that uses R290, R600 or 134A. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and hook up our bottle. This is R600, guys, refrigerant, and make sure the the piercing valve is all the way back. Just move the handle back. Make sure it's all the way back. Then screw the adapter. Just screw your adapter right on. Tighten this down. Okay. Then we're going to hook up our blue hose. First of all, we're going to hook up our yellow hose to here. We're going to bleed out the line. This line last had R410A in it. Okay. Now we're going to pierce this can just like this. We're going to pierce the can. Okay, can is pierced.
I think that's recorded.
Huh?
No.
Hey, it's recording. Oh, they tried to stop on me. Damn it. Okay, guys. It was still moving. Still recording. Okay, I'm putting the... I've already pierced the can. Now I'm going to open it. It's going to let Freon come out. R600 is going to come out through here. What happened here? Oh, okay, here we go. I'm purging the line. You heard it? Purging with R600. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and hook up the R600. Okay, our R600 is ready to install. Okay, this is open. In order to install, I'm going to install it right here on my gauge set and watch it from here. Let you guys watch it. On the gauge set, I'm at 0, as you can see. I want to get my amp clamp meter. Okay, we're going to set the clamp meter to amperage, and we're going to hook up to the line voltage coming in right here. I've never messed with this one, so it's still intact. All the power is still intact, and I can't get to a wire, but we're going to check it by pressure. Okay, right now, let's see what we're at. Let it run. Now the easy way to tell if you have refrigerant is these coils here on the back. These coils are going to get hot, okay? So right now it's cold, 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 cold. We'll check where the refrigerant actually is, the level. Very dirty. I need to pressure wash this. Okay, it was low freon. It's starting to come up now. You see my freezer's wobbly. It's got rotted wheels on it. I need to pull this open right here. The power. This is an inverter, guys. So the easiest way to do this is to strip the wire back here and expose the 2 wires and then clamp around one of them. And then when you're done, you can tape it up. Very dirty compressor. Liquid line starting to get hot up here. And the freon will be pushed around through the system. The stop leak will pass through the system until it finds the leak, wherever it may be. It will find the leak. It's an inverter unit also, guys. It's an inverter. So you can see the pressure, how low the pressure is here. Okay. It's like running right now is right at about 1.6 on the gauge. Very hard to tell, but it's about 1.6.
What's the umbrella left, Mike?
Umbrella? Here. She's the one who's hot. You checked in?
Bye.
Here we don't have one.
Wala ka mo din ako ng umbrella, Nel? Wala na umbrella? Ha? Ito. Ano mo ka rin?
Here, Dan. That's all we got. You need to buy more. Maybe you can buy them outright down there. We just delivered 7 kilos to him. Down here to Vinny, I'll buy.
So what?
We just gave him 7 kilos he bought. Maybe you can buy back like 2 kilos, and then we'll give them back to him tomorrow or something.
Maybe tomorrow?
Okay guys, I want to open up this line so I can see the... I'm going to open up the power line here. I want to see the amperage of this unit right now. I like to monitor the amperage when I'm charging these guys. We're only running about, right now, about 1 PSI, guys. Okay, I just want to expose one of the wires here, guys, that I'm going to use to check the amperage.
Hey Michael, Ella is here.
No. Ella?
That's Ella.
Oh, yeah, she's here. Wait a minute, guys. Takes a minute to get this thing open. Because I'm only trying to get one line out of here. Out of the sheathing. And I don't want to cut it with a knife and expose the copper. I'm going to do it with my finger, which makes it a lot better. I know, doing things the hard way, huh? Okay. There we go. Doing good. Getting there. There's no need to rush anything, guys. I don't want to get zapped by 220. I just want to make sure that wire is intact. There's a lot better ways to strip things, especially by using a knife or whatever. I could unplug it, could strip it. Right now I got the unit running. I don't want to. Unplug it, take it apart. There's the other wire. Okay guys, there's your line right there. Okay. Shows me right now I'm at 2.3. You can see it. So the compressor's working hard right now. 2.2 amps. Okay. Just barely getting warm down here, guys. Cold, all the way at the bottom is cold. So it tells me, right now I'm probably near half charged. You watch the, up here guys, measure your, or feel your hand here. When it's cold, it's meaning that the coil is got no fluid running through it. Okay, and it's cold from here down, it's all cold. So we still need to bump a little bit up. And when you're charging these R600s, you're going to go very, very slowly. You're not going to just start pressing, okay? So right now I'm feeling the fluid coming here now. My hand's getting hot. I'm running at 2.2 amps, 2.28 amps. You can see right there on the amp gauge. Huh? Okay. You need money? Look in the ice box. Is there any there in the ice box? If not, I'll get some. I don't know. It's okay. Here we pay. We sell like 130 or 180 per kilo. I don't know. Okay, guys. We're just watching now to see when it's already hot here. Okay, it's getting really very warm here, so the freon's coming through the system, but down here it's cold, so I don't have enough freon yet going through the system to make this hot. I'm running in 2.5 amps right now. And then you can check inside. I reach in here. Okay, getting cold here. Cold. Cold. Not so cold yet. Nope, nope, nope. So I got 3 areas cooling right now. I gotta clean this out. It's got water in here.